Alright, so I'm back. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, edit that out. Yeah, so I'm back. And I tried one of the pickles. Look at him. Look at this. Awesome. It was so good. It was so good. There was one right there. And I took him. And I ate him. It was awesome. This is like the greatest thing ever. Look at the one. This is one that kind of got mangled. But it's going to be delicious. Mmm. 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 That is awesome sauce. That is so good. I need to take these bad boys up and put them on a plate. But I'm getting set up for something else. I actually got some other muffin mixes. I want to try one more, but I think I'm gonna wait a few minutes and let my stomach settle. This is actually, turns out blueberry cheesecake pancakes and bacon wrapped pickles are very filling. My eyes are bigger than my stomach on this one, but that's okay because we can come back. We can come back later. All right. So somebody got all happy and full last night, and then slipped into a bit of a food coma. Am I proud of this? No. But it's, it's kind of what needed to happen. I didn't get a chance to do the second round of the pancakes. But guess what? It's time to eat again. Somebody, yeah, that worked out really well. As far as the sleeping, dreamless sleeping is concerned, I highly recommend getting good rest from time to time. Alright, so let me start this. I'm going to change my strategy a bit. I noticed I had it on 6. Today we're just going to put it on 5. Maybe things won't quite be so hectic. Live by this stuff. Alright, that's plate. So, I was kind of going on and on about unsolicited advice. Unsolicited advice. And so, I think today I'm going to tell you a story. Okay, it was a story in which I learned from. Alright, now, you might already know, the lesson or whatever. And I'm not going to be at the end of the story, oh, the moral of the story. No. Okay, you're either going to pick up something from it or not, and I don't care which. So, I was going to college. Oh my goodness, I just got that everywhere. I was going to college, and yeah, so for no apparent reason, the university I was going to, in an attempt to really screw with my existence, made a class that counted for one value for 3 hours. They made it count for 2. Okay, and that, it's not a big deal, but the way I was doing college at the time, my situation, I needed that extra hour to be considered a full-time student. Otherwise, it was going to really screw with me. Alright, see how I can do this without getting this crap everywhere. So, they sent a courier, okay, to find me. Good news does not travel by courier, by the way. And it's the last day of freshman registration, right? So I get to the registrar's office. Last day is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And there are 2 classes left in the entire college. Okay? One was, I want to say it was aerobic dance. And the other one was beginning vocals. Beginning vocals, okay? I didn't want to take either one of them. I'm sitting there, I finally, resolved myself to take aerobic dance. I go to sign up for it and it's full. So I stuck with beginning vocals. And it's first day of class and the teacher comes in. And man, my toes curl, my heart gets to pounding. Because this is, at the time, by far the most beautiful woman I have ever seen in my life. I mean, she had the most beautiful blue eyes, fair skin, long black hair. She's about 5'10". I'm talking about my heart's pounding. Jesus, God in heaven, what is happening? Oh, the milk. 2/3 cup milk. And yeah, so part of the class was we had to attend these concerts. Okay? Had to attend these concerts outside of school and, like, you know, write what we thought about each performer, you know, kind of give a little critique. And for those of you, you know, I'm very knowledgeable about college. If you go to college, you want to try to get everything done as fast as you can. Okay? Just do it. Don't put it off, man. Because life is nutty. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm having banana nut pancakes, by the way. So, she's telling about this show she's going to. She's all excited. It's a brand new concert hall. She's talking about how she's singing this song from this Italian opera. And the character is this evil sea witch. Okay? Evil sea witch. Alright, so I call up this pretty gal that I was I sat next to, and I'm one of my economics classes. Hey, you know, I gotta attend this concert. Let's get together. We'll have a little pick me up, and then we'll go to the show. She's like, all right, cool. So we do that, and we get into the concert hall. Okay, and this thing's brand new, brand new. They still had, like, I remember seeing, like, they still had the construction cone sitting off to the side. Everything was brand new, state of the art, acoustical marvel. And man, I'm talking about a mouse farted in the corner. Sounded like a shotgun blast, okay? So we get on down towards the front, you know. And 4 of the performers came out, and I had my notepad, and I did my little critique or whatever. And you know, she comes out. Okay, she comes out. And I'm talking about it. She's got the sequence dress on, looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. And the girl, she's like, you have to sing in front of her? And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, are you a good singer? No, I'm terrible. I didn't want to take the class. Didn't want to do it. So she comes out and she starts singing, right? And she's trying to, like, make herself, and this isn't Italian, okay, so I have no idea what she's singing. She's trying to make herself look evil, like the evil sea witch. But when something's so angelic and beautiful and is singing in such an angelic, beautiful voice, like, tries to look evil, it's hysterical. It was the funniest thing I've ever seen, because she's all, like, screwing her face up trying to look evil. And it was hysterical. And the girl I was, she's sitting on my right, you know. She's like, why'd you screw her face up like that? And I'm sitting there. And I'm doing I'm talking about my ribs feel like they're breaking. I done this here, and I bit a plug out of the inside of my mouth. I'm talking like a plug of flesh. And, like, my mouth is filling up with blood, and I'm tonguing it to, like, make it burn so I won't laugh at this insanely beautiful woman making these ridiculous faces. And she just, the song goes on and on. And finally, man, I'm just like, I let out a little, I let out a little laugh. And the girl next to me starts laughing like a hyena, but, like, trying to be, you know, sneaky about it. But with the acoustics, it's just not working. It's just, there's nothing stealthy about it. And the song's going on and on. It's just, I'm screwing her face up, singing like an angel. I'm talking like a soprano, angelic creature, man. And I start hearing, shh, over at my date, and she got a finger up and she's shaking it, and I look in that direction, and she's flipping off the whole row of opera nerds. I'm just like, Jesus God. And so I put her hand down, and and she started flipping them off with this hand, and I'm just like, and I'm laughing my butt off too. I can't help it, because it's so much, and it's funny, but it's not funny. And like, man, and the song finally ends, and the teacher, instead of going off stage right or whatever, she walks and jumps off the front of the stage and walks right by me. And I knew, I was in trouble. So every day, this was like the second week of school. Every day after that, before anything else happened in the class, she would call me up to the front, and there was like 60, 65, 70 people in the class, right? And she would hand me a sheet of music that I've never seen before, okay? I'm okay as far as reading of the music. I can get that much right. And kind of halfway know when to go, but I don't really know like what pitch to start at, or the keys, or any of that. So she hands me a sheet of music, and it's like in German, or it'll be in French. And I'll be these like, you know, and it'll start way low, you know. My voice doesn't go very low. I can get you some high notes, but man, I'm talking about it will go the whole octave, maybe an octave and a half, man. And she'll get on the piano and play it, and I'd sing a solo every class in front of all these people. And I'm talking about I'd butcher it. I would butcher those songs. It was terrible. It was terrible. And I guess I was embarrassed maybe the first 2 times. But after that, it's just like, whatever. She's like, I'd like you to sing the song. And I'd get up and I'm like, I can stand it if y'all can. And I'm talking about, man, and the gal in the class sitting behind me, I'd kind of sit down and she'd be giggling. She's like, you're so bad at that. I'm just like, yeah? She's like, why does she keep making you sing? And I'm just like, just don't even worry about it. Don't even go there. But yeah, I learned something from that. I'm not gonna be like, the moral of the story, because I think that would kind of fall into the category of unsolicited advice. All right, I'm pretty sure that's hot. Let's go. Let's do some pancakes again. Banana nut pancakes. I'm excited. Told a horrible. I don't guess it was really dramatic, but it definitely. What was I setting this on? I don't know. How is this looking? Go back farther. It will. Yeah, the little thing came up, the little square. Alright, yep, shoes off. Alright, come here, pancake batter. Alright, so I had this thing on 6. Okay, now it's on 5, so maybe things won't happen so quickly. That's the only difference. Well, that and this is banana nut, and the other one was blueberry cheesecake. The batter looks a little thicker too. I think I might have. Oh my god, my spatula. Here we go. Okay, it's handy. But yeah, let me show you. Yeah, the batter looks a little bit thicker. I mean, maybe I measured the 2/3 cup milk different. I don't know, but I'm thinking that'll be a little bit better to work with. And it very well could be, excuse me, the consistency of banana nut versus the consistency of blueberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness, pardon. So that could be it. That could be that. But, oh yes. See, this isn't cooking nearly as fast. I think we're getting close. Oh yeah, we're getting close. Getting close already. Look at this. Oh, man, yeah. Oh, no! No! There we go. Yeah, man. Throw that up on there. Yep. Yep. This is going a lot better. See, I'm improving. That was the whole point of this, was to improve my cooking skills. Man, yeah. Man, yeah. So, yeah, I was definitely late to the YouTube party. That's for sure. Look at that. Look at it. Oh. Excelente. Excelente. Give this a stir. But, yeah, man. Oh, I'm probably not going to cook all these for you. Get a couple more and give it a taste test. And I'm going to sign off because I really don't have the time this morning, as much as I would like to. Oh, and I'll tell you something else that's going on. Is part of another thing I want to get out of this channel is like try new stuff. Now, there's this. It's advertised as like a steak and a shrimp sauce. Okay, and it's Japanese, and the only thing I've used it for is when I'm making unhealthy food, like the little mini calzones I'll eat. I'll dip it in that sauce. It's actually really good. It's really good to do that. Also, microwavable burritos. So yeah, I eat bad food. Hopefully that'll be another good thing. I'll have to try to think of menu options. And yeah, pancakes are not that healthy. Okay, but with things goofy like they are, I mean, it might. You know what I mean? This might help somebody. Like, oh well, they don't have any pancake mix. Let's just let's do what the internet chef said. Get some muffin mix. No, there we go. Man, I'm not flipping these with a crap today. Yeah, look at that. Look. See? But yeah, trying to be helpful. This. See how this goes. See how this goes down. Oh yeah. Yeah, banana nut was the way to go. Definitely the way to go on that one. Yeah, I'm fixing to cook the rest of this and eat it. But yeah, you can see, look how much better that's turning out. Turn the fire down. Yeah, right here. Turn the fire down. I don't know if you can see that or not. It was on 6, now it's on 5. Alright, that's gonna do it for me today. I want you to help the channel grow. And I'm not gonna say goodbye, okay? For I feel like we'll meet again. And until we do, I'm gonna wish you all the good luck and love in the world.